Welcome to the Data Key. Today, we dive into one of the hottest topics in data science for 2025, federated learning. It's changing how we train AI models while keeping data private and secure. In today's world, companies collect massive amounts of sensitive data, like patient health records, financial transactions, or personal user information. But here's the problem. Data privacy laws and security concerns often stop organizations from sharing this data. So how do we train powerful AI models without exposing the data itself? That's where federated learning comes in. Instead of moving the data, federated learning sends the model to where the data lives. Each device or organization trains the model locally, and only the model updates, not the raw data, are sent back to a central server. The server aggregates these updates, improving the global model without ever touching the sensitive data. Imagine hospitals across the world collaborating to train a medical AI system. Each hospital keeps its data private but contributes to a shared AI model by sending only learned insights. The central model becomes smarter without exposing any patient's records. Applications include healthcare, predicting diseases while protecting patient privacy, autonomous vehicles, cars learning from each other without sharing raw driving data, smartphones, personalized AI like better text predictions trained across millions of devices. Federated learning offers three big advantages. 1. Privacy-first AI. Your data never leaves your device. 2. Regulatory compliance aligns with global data protection laws. 3. Scalability. Millions of devices can train models simultaneously. Of course, it's not perfect. Training across distributed devices can face network delays, hardware differences, and risks of biased updates. But researchers are actively solving these issues. As industries move toward privacy-first AI, federated learning will become a must-know skill for data scientists and analysts. Pair it with other trends like AutoML, synthetic data, and data mesh, and you'll be ahead of the curve in 2025. So remember, federated learning is the key to privacy-preserving AI. If you're building your career in data science, this is one technology you need to understand deeply. This is the Data Key, bringing you the future of data science today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge insights.